Hey, it's Judith. Today I'll be showing you how to make a fold-over clutch. This is actually an inspiration from my Pinterest board. It was a Mimi G style pen. I'll put that information in my description box below. And right now I'm just starting out by cutting out my outer fabric, my liner fabric, and my interfacing material. Okay, I have all my fabric pieces laid out. So my next step will be to take my interfacing material, place it bumpy side down onto the wrong side of my outer fabric, and I'll give it a good press. Okay, I have my interfacing material attached to both sides of my outer fabric. So now I'm going to pin my zipper to my outer material, placing the teeth facing downward, and then I'm going to attach the lining material. It's right side facing the right side of the outer material. And also just to note, the zipper is on the short side of the bag. This is the 15-inch side of the bag. I'll pin this all together and then take it over to the sewing machine. Okay, I have my fabric and liner attached to one side of the zipper. Now I'm going to repeat that same process. I'm going to attach my fabric and liner to the other side of the zipper. And if you'll note that the right sides of the liner, both liner pieces are facing together, and the right sides of the outer fabric are both facing together. I'll pin that and take it over to the sewing machine. Okay, I have my zipper attached. Now I'm going to slide that zipper about halfway. And now I'll bring right sides together of my outer fabric and I'll pin that all the way around, making a U shape. Then I'll do the same. I'll pin the liner around and I'll leave an opening approximately 3 to 4 inches on the liner side so we can turn the bag right side out. Okay, I have my liner stitched all the way around, and I also have my fabric stitched all the way around. So now I'm just going to pull the right side out through that opening we created. And once we get the back pulled all the way out, we'll stitch the opening closed. Well, first I'm going to give the seam a press to make it lay down better on that opening. Then I'll take it over to my sewing machine and stitch that opening closed. Okay, here is our bag. I'm just going to push the liner back inside and make it flat. And then I'm just going to give it a good press, to make it look good, just to finish it off. I'll give it a good press. Okay, here's the finished fold over clutch. I really like the way it turned out. I like the liner and I definitely love that fabric and the brass zipper. And that is it. So I want to ask, if you really enjoyed anything from this video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. Thanks for watching. Bye.